Hello everyone, I am welcoming you all to the 6th lecture of this VMD tutorial series. So in today's lecture we will see how to write LAMMPS data using VMD software. So I am opening one file in VMD. So here I have 30 water molecules. So for which we will write the LAMMPS data file using this VMD TK console. So here first thing we have to see that before writing this data file we need to set the PBC box criteria for the same molecule or same data file for the same file to which you want to write the data file for LAMMPS. So now I am setting this PBC set. So here I am using this values which will say like how the box is elongated along the different directions like X, Y and Z direction. So I am giving this value as this much. So you can give any values as for your convenience. So like this I have given. So now I want to see how the box has been set in this case. So I am typing this command PBC box. So see here the box has came. So here as we can see that some molecules are inside the box and some are not. So we need to shift the center of the box. So for that I am typing this command PBC box shift center. So now I will give certain values by which I want to shift my box. So like this I am giving. So as for your convenience you can give any values along any direction. So like this here you can see all the water molecules are inside the box now as we can see. So this is just an example to show you how to set the box and how to shift the center if you are doing this the same thing using this VMD TK console. So after that, as I told that these are water molecules, as you can see there are 3 molecules. I am making this representation to CPK so that you can check that this is a 3 molecular body, 3 atomic body. And so here as we know that in water molecule what happened, the oxygen atom carries -2 negative charges and the hydrogen molecules carry one positive charges on them. So as a whole the total like the water molecule itself is a neutral. As we will add this all the charges, so it will gives us a 0 value. So like that, so if you want to set this charge value on the water molecule or on specific atom, so that we can select something. So like that there is a command. So here like that set cell atom select top name H. Here I am selecting this hydrogen atoms on which I will put some charges. So I have selected one atom, then I will type this select set charge 0.0417. So this value will be set on this hydrogen atom. So okay, then now I will select this oxygen atoms. So for that I have taken another selection, that is selection H. Now I have selected atom type 2. Then I will set some charges on that oxygen atom. So for oxygen the charges will be twice of that, but it will be negative. So negative of 0.834. So then I have given these charges to oxygen and to hydrogen. So now after that we will type another command, that set select atom select top all. So these are certain predefined command in VMD TK console. So after this we will write our LAMMPS data file. So for that we will use this topo tool, topo. For then we will guess bonds, like which bonds are present among this hydrogen and oxygen or oxygen to oxygen, that it will guess accordingly. Topo guess bonds, then topo guess angles. So by which angle they are separated out. or they are vibrating like that. Then topo, if you have dihedral in your system, then you can guess dihedral also. So I am here also I am doing the same, like whatever the possibilities I am showing you. Then after this we can write our LAMMPS data in a full format, like topo write LAMMPS data. Then we can give the data file name. Here I am giving this file name as water.data. Then we will put this command like full, so that it can generate the full format of this whatever we guess, like bonds, angles, dihedrals and all the, and also it will put the charges inside that. So see here, the now in my folder, if I will see that there is a data file generated as water.data. I am opening this. So here you can see there are 90 atoms, 60 bonds and 30 angles, but 0 dihedral, as there is no dihedral. And we can see that the atom types, 2 atom types, only we have oxygen and water, oxygen and hydrogen, and we have one bond like the OH bond between every water molecule. Then the angle type is only one, that is in between HOH. Here all the things are written here, and this is the box of ours. Now if we will see that this in this atom section, you can see the first one, the first column is for the number of atoms, second is the flag, like the types. Here we have not defined the type of the molecule, so this flag is one for everyone. Then this 2 and 1 is for type of atom, like here the 2 atom is oxygen and 1 is hydrogen. The second will, so the next is showing the charges. So see here we have given the charges to oxygen is minus 0.834 and it is showing here, and for hydrogen we have given the charges like 0.417, so here it is showing 0.417. so like this we can see, and after atom section the bond section begins, then the angles, like that it has written the data file. So now this problem of ours has been solved. But if we want to do all the things in a like we don't have to every time, we don't have to write this kind of commands in BMD again and again. So we can write a file. So for that we have a TCL file, we have to write a TCL file. So within that we can put all our comments. So like that I have a TCL file named as water.tcl. So here you can see this is my TCL file. So in the first line I have given like this is the final TCL file, like that. So in this line I have given that which XYZ file or which file from where the position of the atoms it can take. So like that, this is just the file name, you can put as per your file name. Then this is the PVC set criteria. The first 3 values are the values along to the XYZ direction, and these values 90, 90, 90 is the angles. Like here I am taking the rectangular box, so this value is 90, 90, 90 degree. Then the PVC SIP center, as I have shown, you can SIP the center so that your all the molecules should be inside the box, like that. Then this set selection and all these command will select will set a charge on the molecule or on the atom. Then this topo guess bonds, retype bonds, you can guess. If your topo tools is not able to guess the bonds correctly, then you can write this topo retype bond so that it can say the types of the bonds that are present. Then the guess angles, then you can write your LAMMPS data, then this is the file name, and like that you can give this full command so that it can write one by one, like atoms, then bonds, then angles, and dihedral. If dihedral is present, then it can write, otherwise not. So like that you can do. So okay, then if you want to see this, I can source this TCL file also. Now I can open this BMD software once again so that we can source this TCL file on BMD so that it can write the full phased BMD LAMMPS data file. So now I will go to the TK console. So here I will write source. So I have this TCL file as water.tcl. So by setting this comment, so now you can see that my file has been generated, and whatever the comments I was having in that TCL file, it has been showing here, like the box and whatever the things I have given. Like you can see the mass section, atom selection, bond section, angle section, every section of this TCL file, whatever the comment I have given is written in that data file. So if you want to see, this is the data file newly generated. So here I am showing this data file. So see here the atom section, the bonds, then the angles, everything is present here. So this much for today. Thank you.